guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing stop motion, and all week we will be doing stop motion. So we are going to show you some behind the scenes stop motion.
So the general idea of the story is so they're all playing, having fun, all that. And then a pizza truck pulls up, and then he opens his thing, and then he starts giving out pizza, and then all the people come. And then one person walks out of his work, gets in his car, and drives over to it, waits in this super long line. Then he finally gets up here, and then the pizza guy goes, "Sorry, sir, we're out of pizza." And then he goes, "Ah!" and the pizza guy just drives off. And then, since he's so sad, an ice cream truck goes, I guess I'll take that, so he gets an ice cream instead of pizza.
Hey, I want to stop for just a second and give a shout out to Varsity Tutors, who have provided free virtual summer camps to my kids all this summer. I can't comment on their tutoring programs, but if they are anything like their virtual summer camps, you guys should definitely visit them. This stop motion Lego video was a class that was presented by Varsity Tutors this week, and my kids had a blast. Their teacher, Brianna, was great, and we highly recommend checking out other virtual summer camps if you have time this summer. Alright, let's get back to it.
So the thing that we are doing is with Stop Motion Studio. It's an app, it's totally free, and I'll show you a little bit about it. So you can take pictures with it on whatever Lego stuff you want, but there is a pro version with no ads and all that stuff for only $5 extra, which we got because very cheap, and it's awesome because you can do more backgrounds and different stuff like that. You take a picture and then you would move your Lego fig like a normal person would walk. Right now we have had the pizza truck all pulled up and everything. Dude's not gonna get his pizza, sadly, and right now in the background there is a hazmat suit guy.
Because it's coronavirus.
Because why, Marin?
COVID-19.
Look, you do that and it shows you the last shot you have taken.
So we need to move the front guys up their arms a little bit.
Oh, that guy needs to be moved.
Yeah, so you see all that frame, and now they've actually moved forward, so you can go ahead and take that.
Hazmat suit guys moving forward too in this swivelly
So guys, you can actually do this at home. It's very simple. You can take a Lego figure. This is a friends person. This is how you do the friends people. You go, so they're right here. And then, that was not supposed to happen. And then you do this. Yes, you're just taking a bunch of little pictures.
And then, it'll end up like that.
It will
Stop motion.
It will take some time, but don't worry. It'll look good at the end.
We've taken 116 pictures for about 10 seconds.
So guys, we've been working 5 days on this, and we've added sound. Let's just get to it. Here's the finished product. watching, guys. Click here or here to watch another one of our videos. Are you guys still watching? Click one of them. Like and subscribe. Come on. Like the video and subscribe and click on one of these. Come on, guys. Bye.